Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about ABO blood group system. So let's get started. More than 30 blood group systems have been recognized till now by International Society of Blood Transfusion. In this video, we will talk about ABO blood group system, which is clinically most significant. The ABO blood group system was discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1901. He mentioned that if an individual has a particular antigen, that individual will not have the antibody to that antigen. In other words, an individual has an antibody to the antigen he lacks. Now, let's talk about antigens and antibodies found in ABO blood groups. As we can see in the picture, blood type A has antigen A but no antigen B. In contrast, the individual has antibody B but no antibody A. Similarly, blood type B has only antigen B and antibody A but no antigen A and antibody B. Blood type O, on the other hand, has no antigen but it has both antibody A and antibody B as well. And finally, blood type AB has both antigen A and antigen B with no antibody. Now let's talk about antigens and antibodies of ABO blood group briefly. While talking about antibody, there are 5 major types of immunoglobulins. They are IgA, IgD, IgE, IgG, and IgM. Antibody found in ABO blood group are primarily immunoglobulin M or IgM. It is the largest immunoglobulin among 5 major immunoglobulins. Similarly, it is the immunoglobulin which appears first in our body during exposure to antigens. Moreover, IgM is composed of 5 basic immunoglobulin units forming a pentamer. While talking about antigens, ABO antigens are glycolipid or glycoprotein and are defined by the terminal sugar. Talking about each antigens individually, each antigen is the building block for both A and B antigens. Plus, O blood type has the same H antigen without any other additional sugar. A blood type has A antigen which has additional N-acetyl galactosamine attached to H antigen, and B blood type has B antigen which has additional galactose attached to H antigen. Thank you so much and see you soon.